Hello. So how can you organise knowledge and organise information in your head so that any information you want you can have at your fingertips? This is what I teach people to do. One of the things I teach people to do. And it's very straightforward, and the process is by taking advantage of the powerful tool of memory palaces combined with spaced repetition. If you don't know what those are, then Google them. It's pretty straightforward. A memory palace is where you walk around a place and store information or images in different points along that little journey. And that's kind of like a nice entry. It's like a basic primer to go and do that with one piece of information. But how you want to be thinking about the bigger picture is like, you know, that's a toe in the water. What you want to be doing is thinking about building up your library of storage spaces to the point where you do have a vast library of many memory palaces stored in one coherent memory palace structure. So a network or a hierarchy of interconnected palaces, all baked into your long-term memory using spaced repetition. It is a delightful way of organising information in your head. And if you want more, then there might be a link somewhere below, or certainly subscribe to my channel, and you'll be able to get some free information kind of training you on how to do this. All right, bye.